This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Rhonda Chancito. Beautiful West Bay home located in the Waterset community and has already appraised over the asking price. Enter into the large foyer and hallway, which brings you into a spacious open floor plan with 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The den has glass French doors which can be used as a game room, formal dining, office space, or anything to suit your needs. Was built in 2013 and has tile throughout except bedrooms which have laminate flooring and carpet in the master bedroom. Includes features such as surround sound, granite in kitchen and baths, crown molding around cabinets, along with modern stainless steel appliances. Glass sliding back door enters into the large screen lanai with a fully fenced-in backyard, making it a nice space for pets and adds a little privacy. Front yard has a spacious porch to sit on while enjoying the mature landscaping and neighborhood. The Waterset community has a lot to offer, from walking trails, fishing piers, café, a fitness center, a pool, and parks. For more information, review the details below.